Hello there. Today we're gonna make mole, a very traditional Mexican dish. Okay, so we're gonna need the mole paste. We're gonna need some salt and pepper, some onions, some water, and chicken. In our case, we are gonna use chicken wings. Okay, so we're gonna start this process by adding the water in a pot, and then we're just gonna place the chicken wings inside the water. We're gonna add the onions, the salt and pepper, and then we're just gonna cook it. This is gonna take around 30 to 40 minutes to cook. Usually chicken doesn't take that long to cook, so extract the chicken and broth from the actual chicken wings. We're just gonna place it in a container, and then we're gonna add the mole paste on it. We are gonna use 1 cup of mole paste and 3 cups of chicken broth. We are gonna put it in the blender and we're gonna blend it. Once it's blended, we're gonna put it back in the chicken. And then we're gonna simmer the mole paste along with the broth for 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so 7 minutes have passed, guys, and this is how it's supposed to look. By this time, the mole should start getting thick. And this is our final result. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you.